हेलो बच्चों, हाफ ईयरली एग्ज़ाम आ चुका है और हाफ ईयरली एग्ज़ाम के लिए मैंने आपके लिए वीडियो बनाया है और इस वीडियो को ध्यान से सुनिए, देखिए और क्वेश्चन के आंसर की प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। इसमें से आपके ये सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन हो जाएंगे। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर भी करें ताकि सबका भला हो। शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, एग्जाम में सबसे पहले एमसीक्यू ही आएंगे और 20 क्वेश्चन आएंगे एमसीक्यू के। शुरू करते हैं। A particle is moving in a circular path of radius r. The displacement after half a circle would be, आंसर है 2r. A body is thrown vertically upward with velocity u, the greatest height h to which it will rise is u square upon 2g. इसका आंसर है थर्ड, the numerical ratio of displacement to distance for a moving object is equal or less than 1. If the displacement of an object is proportional to square of time, then the object moves with uniform acceleration. From the given VT graph, it can be inferred that the object is in uniform motion. A answer is correct. Suppose a body is enjoying a ride on a merry-go-round which is moving with the constant speed of 10 meter per second. If implies that the body is, answer C is correct, in accelerated motion. Next question, area under a VT graph represent a physical quantity which has the unit meter. Next question, four cars ABCD are moving on a leveled road. Their distance versus time graph are shown in figure. Choose the correct statement. तो ये ग्राफ है, तो इसका सही आंसर है कार बी इज द स्लोएस्ट, क्योंकि इसका स्लोप सबसे कम है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फिगर रिप्रेजेंट यूनिफॉर्म मोशन ऑफ अ मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट करेक्टली? तो इसका आंसर है ए। स्लोप ऑफ अ वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ गिव्स द एक्सेलरेशन। इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केस ऑफ मोशन द डिस्टेंस मूव्ड इन अ मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट आर इक्वल? ए इज करेक्ट if the car is moving on straight road. Which is not a vector quantity? Answer, charge. The rate of change in distance is called speed. The rate of change in displacement is called velocity. The rate of change in velocity is called acceleration. The incorrect statement is, इन चारों में से सी इनकरेक्ट है। फॉर मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस कैन बी 0। द डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ इज पैरेलल इन टाइम एक्सिस. इट शोज स्टेशनरी पोजीशन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. The velocity time graph is parallel to time axis. It shows uniform motion of the object. Meter per second is the SI unit of velocity. मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर इज द SI unit of acceleration. The slope of distance time graph shows speed. The slope of velocity time graph shows acceleration. The velocity time graph in the form of straight line. तो इसका आंसर है डी, रिटार्डेड मोशन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the velocity time graph in the form of straight line sloping downwards shows retarded motion. 13. Uniform circular motion is accelerated motion. A cyclist is moving with a speed of 18 km per hour. His speed is 5 meter per second. 5/18 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 5 आएगा। For car ABCD are moving on a labeled path. Their distance time graph given under, अब इसमें डी आंसर सही है। कार डी इज स्लोएस्ट, क्योंकि इसका स्लोप सबसे कम है। फॉर मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट रेशियो ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ डिस्टेंस एच इक्वल और लेस देन 1। अब देखो असर्शन रीजन वाले क्वेश्चन हैं और इसमें से इस तरह के आंसर दिए जाते हैं ABCD में। ए पहले का, बी दूसरे का, सी तीसरे का और डी चौथे का। तो assertion, a distance can never be less than magnitude of displacement, ये बात सही है। रीजन, distance covered can never decrease whereas displacement can, तो ये भी सही है, तो इसका ए आंसर सही होगा। If velocity is constant, speed will also be constant, तो ए तो सही है। रीजन, इफ स्पीड इज कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी मे और मे नॉट बी कांस्टेंट, ये एक्सप्लेनेशन इसका सही नहीं है, तो इसका आंसर बी होगा। असर्शन, अ बॉडी इज इन यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन हैज कांस्टेंट स्पीड, ठीक है। रीजन है द एक्सेलरेशन इज ऑलवेज डायरेक्टेड अवे फ्रॉम द सेंटर, तो ये इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन भी ठीक नहीं है, तो इसका आंसर सी सही होगा। सी में आंसर है ए इज ट्रू बट आर इज फॉल्स। असर्शन, अ बॉडी इज इन मोशन में हैव कांस्टेंट स्पीड बट वेरिएबल वेलोसिटी, ये सही है। ए बॉडी मूविंग विद कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी में हैव एक्सेलरेशन, तो ये गलत है, तो सी आंसर इसका भी होगा। पांचवा, अ पैसेंजर एक्सपीरियंस अ जर्क बैकवर्ड व्हेन द व्हीकल स्टार्ट सडनली, करेक्ट है ये। रीजन है दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ इनर्जी ऑफ मोशन, तो इसका ये एक्सप्लेनेशन ठीक नहीं है, तो सी आंसर है इसका। फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स इस तरह के हो सकते हैं। द डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ अ बॉडी आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग अ सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस 10 मीटर एच, इसका 0 होगा। एक साइकिल के बाद 0, वही आ जाएगी बॉडी। द स्लोप ऑफ वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ विच इज स्ट्रेट लाइन गिव्स द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन। द एरिया अंडर द वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ गिव्स डिस्प्लेसमेंट। द फिजिकल क्वांटिटी दैट रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट इन केस ऑफ यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन इज स्पीड। Equation of motion can be applied in case where acceleration is constant in magnitude and direction. अब ये देखो NCERT के क्वेश्चन हैं, ये आते हैं। Which of the following statement is not correct for the object moving along a straight path in an accelerated motion? तो सी आंसर इज करेक्ट. इट ऑलवेज गोज अवे फ्रॉम द अर्थ. According to the third law of motion, action and reaction, B answer is correct, always on different bodies in opposite direction. A goalkeeper in football game pulls his hands backward after holding the ball short at the goal. This enables the goalkeeper to reduce the force exerted by the ball on hand. C, B is correct. The inertia of an object tends to cause the object to resist any change in state of motion. Next question. A passenger in a moving train tosses a coin which falls behind him. This means that motion of a train is accelerated. आगे बढ़ जाती है. 6. An object of mass 2 kg is sliding with constant velocity of 4 meter per second on a frictionless horizontal table. The force required to keep the object moving with the same body is 0 Newton. Next, rocket works on the principle of conservation of momentum. रॉकेट कभी एक्शन रिएक्शन पे वर्क नहीं करता. A water tanker fills up to 2/3 of its height, is moving with the uniform speed. On sudden application of the brake, the water in the tank would move forward. आगे की तरफ बढ़ जाएगा. आगे की तरफ बढ़ेगा और राइज अप ऊपर की तरफ हो जाता है. वैसे बाहर की तरफ निकल के फैल जाता है. When a force acts on the object, it can change its all the above position, shape, state. The rate of change in momentum of an object is called force. If mass of an object is m, velocity v, acceleration a, and force applied F, then A equal to F upon m. If mass of an object is m, velocity v, acceleration a, force applied is F, the momentum is p, then P equal to mn. Newton is the SI unit of force. kg meter per second square is called Newton. kg per meter per second is the SI unit of momentum. Impulse is called the total change in momentum. Measurement of force is done on the basis of second law of motion. Function of jet aeroplane is based on third law of motion. We tend to get thrown to one side when a car makes a sharp turn at high speed. It is based on the first law of motion. Law of inertia is called the first law of motion. A force applied on an object is equal to product of mass of object and its acceleration. In a football and stone of same size, the inertia of stone is greater. A bowler uses to run before throwing the ball to momentum. An object of mass 50 kg is moving at a velocity of 20 meter per second. Its momentum is none of the above. 17. The mass of an object is 40 kg. The force required to get an acceleration of 2 meter per second square is 80 Newton. F इक्वल टू ma कर देंगे। फोर्स एक्टिंग ऑन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज डबल्ड, इट्स एक्सलरेशन विल बी डबल, C इज करेक्ट। लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन इज एप्लीकेबल टू ऑल ऑफ द एबव, एंगुलर मोमेंटम, एनर्जी, मोमेंटम, तीनों के प्रोपोर्शनल है। When an object undergoes acceleration, a force always acts on it. A force acts on an object which is free to move. If we know the magnitude of the force and the mass of the object, then Newton's second law of motion enables us to determine the object is in acceleration. C is correct. When a force of 1 Newton acts on a mass of 1 kg that is able to move freely, the object moves with acceleration of 1 meter per second square. When a net force acts on an object, the object will be accelerated in the direction of the force with an acceleration proportional to the force on the object. If A and B are two objects with masses 6 kg and 34 kg respectively, then B has more inertia than A. The action and reaction forces referred to in Newton's third law must act on different objects. C answer is correct. The force exerted by a mass of 100 gram on your head is about 1 Newton. A gun recoils on the firing because of Newton's third law. If velocity of an object is doubled, then its momentum becomes doubled. Rate of change of momentum is equal to force. Rockets work on the principle of Newton's third law. An oil tanker is 3/4 is filled with an moving. It is moving with a uniform motion. On sudden applying the brake, oil in the tanker would be move upward. पानी ऊपर की तरफ उछल जाता है, आगे तो बढ़ेगा नहीं क्योंकि टैंकर है, तो पानी ऊपर निकल जाता है। जैसे पहले क्वेश्चन आया था ना, तो उसमें मूव अपवर्ड ही आंसर होगा। We tend to go through to one side when a car makes a sharp turn at high speed. It is based on the first law of motion. A cricket player pulls his or her arms back while catching the ball. This enable him to reduce the force exerted by the ball on the hand. अब असर्शन रीजन वाले क्वेश्चन हैं। A force of firing increase when surface are smooth और smoothness decrease friction, ये रीजन है। अब देखो डी में क्या है, A is false, R is true, तो A तो इसमें फॉल्स है, ये गलत है। और फोर्स फ्रैक्शन इंक्रीज व्हेन सरफेस आर स्मूथ होगा तो फ्रैक्शन बढ़ ही नहीं सकता, तो ए गलत है। और लेकिन स्मूथनेस डिक्रीज फ्रैक्शन ये सही है, तो इसका डी आंसर सही होगा। अ रॉकेट डज नॉट मूव फॉरवर्ड बाय पुशिंग द सराउंडिंग एयर बैकवर्ड, इसका रीजन है, ये सही है इसका असर्शन। द नेसेसरी थ्रस्ट टू मूव इट्स फॉरवर्ड कैन एक्सप्लेन बाय न्यूटन्स थर्ड लॉ, तो ये भी सही है, तो इसका ए आंसर इज करेक्ट। असर्शन दे रखा है, ए प्लेयर फॉरवर्ड हिज हैंड विच कैचिंग ए क्रिकेट बॉल, ये सही है। द लोअरिंग ऑफ हैंड इंक्रीज द टाइम ऑफ कैच, ये भी सही है, तो इसका भी ए आंसर सही होगा। कार एंड एरोप्लेन हैव स्ट्रीमलाइन बॉडीज, स्ट्रीमलाइन बॉडीज ऑफर लेस थर्ड फ्रैक्शन, ये भी सही है, तो इसका भी ए आंसर सही होगा। असर्शन, अकॉर्डिंग टू थर्ड लॉ ऑफ मोशन टू कैच एंड एवरी एक्शन, according to third law of motion to each and every action there is equal and opposite reaction, करेक्ट है। और रीजन है फर्स्ट एक्शन टेक्स प्लेस एंड आफ्टर दैट रिएक्शन, ये गलत है, तो इसका आंसर सी सही होगा। असर्शन, अ कॉइन इज प्लेस्ड ऑन द सर्कुलर टेबल टॉप व्हेन द टेबल टॉप रोटेटिंग एंड द कॉइन रिवॉल्विंग इन अ circle path. Reason, the necessary principal centripetal force of the circular motion of coin is provided by the friction between the coin and table top, इसका आंसर ए सही होगा। अब देखो कुछ एनसीईआरटी के क्वेश्चन भी लिए मैंने। Two objects of different masses falling freely near the surface of moon would have same velocity at any instant. The value of acceleration due to gravity is the least on equator. Third, gravitational force to object is F. If masses of both objects are half without changing distance between them, then the gravitational force would become F by 4. A body is whirling a stone tied with a string in a horizontal circular path. The string breaks. The stone will move along a straight line tangential टू द सर्कुलर पाथ, सीधा चला जाता है टूटते ही धागा। एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज पुट वन बाई वन इन 3 लिक्विड हैविंग डिफरेंट डेंसिटीज। द ऑब्जेक्ट फ्लोट 1/9, सेकेंड 2/11, थर्ड 3/7 पार्ट ऑफ देयर वॉल्यूम outside the liquid surface on the liquid of densities d1, d2, d3 respectively. Which of the following statement is correct? तो जो डेंसिटी है वो तीसरे की सबसे ज्यादा होगी, दूसरे की कम और सबसे कम फर्स्ट की d1 की। In the relation F equal to gm upon d square, the quantity g is universal constant of nature. Law of gravitation gives the gravitational force between any two bodies having same masses. Same masses भी हो सकता है या different masses भी हो सकता है। The volume of quantity g in the law of gravitation is independent of mass and radius of the earth. D correct. Two particles are placed at the same distance. If the mass of each of the two particles is doubled, keeping the distance between them unchanged, the volume of gravitational force between them will be 4 times. 10. The atmosphere is held to the earth by gravity. The force of acceleration 2 unit masses separated, universal gravitational constant. The weight of an object at the center of the earth 0. An object weight 10 Newton in air. When immersed fully in water, it weighs only 8 Newton. The weight of the liquid displaced by the object will be 2 Newton. A girl stands on a box having 60 cm length, 40 cm breadth and 20 cm wide in the three ways, in which the following cases pressure exerted by the brick will be maximum when breadth and width form the base. An apple falls from the tree because of gravitational attraction between the earth and apple. If F1 is the magnitude of the force exerted by the earth on the apple and F2 is magnitude of the force exerted by the apple on the earth, then F1 is only the little greater than F2. When a distance between two objects is doubled, the force of attraction between them will become 1/4. Heliocentric theories was proposed by Copernicus. Gravitational force between two bodies become half when the mass of one object is reduced to half. Value of universal constant capital GH same at all planet and satellite of universe. The value of acceleration due to gravity is different at the different places of the earth, planet and satellite. The SI unit of universal gravitational constant is Newton meter square upon kg square. The value of universal gravitational constant is 6.67 into 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square upon kg square. The value of g acceleration due to gravity is taken 9.8 meter per second square. If mass and radius of the earth are half of the existing values, the value of acceleration due to gravity is 19.6 meter per second square. If two stones of mass 500 gram and 5 kg are dropped from a height simultaneously, the stone of masses both will reach the ground at the same time, क्योंकि दोनों के लिए g की वैल्यू सेम है. The value of acceleration due to gravity at moon is 1/6. Mass of a person is 50 kg on earth. His mass on the moon will be 50 kg. मास चेंज नहीं होता है, फोर्स चेंज हो जाती है, वेट चेंज हो जाता है. The height covered by the freely falling object is proportional to t square, time square. A stone is released from the top of the building. It reaches the ground in 1 second. The height of the building is 4.9 meter. An object falling toward the earth. Both object and the earth attract each other. If mass of earth is m and radius is r, then g equal to gm upon r square. The unit of weight is Newton. A stone dropped from the height of 1 meter will reach the ground after 0.45 seconds. Newton is the unit of force. Density of water is 1 kg per meter cube. Volume of a substance is 10 centimeter cube and its mass is 480 gram per centimeter cube. Volume of a substance is 20 centimeter cube and its density is 1.6 gram centimeter cube. Its mass is none of the above. The SI unit of relative density is kg meter per cube. The SI unit of relative density, अब देखो इसमें टिक गलत लग गया है, रिलेटिव डेंसिटी का कोई यूनिट नहीं होती, तो डी आंसर इज करेक्ट, ये नो यूनिट. Two objects are placed at the same distance. If the mass of each object is doubled, keeping the distance same, the value of gravitational force between them will be unchanged. Two objects are placed at same distance. If the mass of each object and distance between them is doubled, the value of gravitational force between them will be 1/4 times. The law of gravitation is applicable to any two objects of the universe. C is correct. The force of attraction between two unit masses present at unit distance is called acceleration due to gravity. Two objects of different masses are dropped freely from height near the surface of Earth. They have same velocities at any instant. The atmosphere is held to the Earth by magnetic field of Earth. The force acting on an object perpendicular to the surface is called thrust. The force per unit area is called pressure. The force with which the earth attracts an object is called weight. Mass per unit volume is called density. Sorry. Pascal is the unit of pressure. Kg per meter cube is the unit of density. Newton per meter square is the unit of pressure. Newton is the unit of both A and B, thrust, weight, force. A metallic slab have length 40 centimeter, breadth 30 centimeter and height 20 centimeter. Pressure exerted by the slab will be maximum when breadth and height for the base. लंबाई चौड़ाई नीचे ज्यादा होगी, कम होगी तो प्रेशर ज्यादा होगा. The weight of an object at the center of the earth having radius r is 0. An object of mass 1 kg falls toward the earth. Mass of the earth is 6 into 10 raised to the power 24 kg due to gravitational attraction. If F1 is the magnitude of the force exerted by the earth on the object and F2 is the magnitude of force exerted by the object on the earth, then F1 and F2 are equal. A body floats in a liquid when the weight of body is exactly half of the weight of the liquid displaced. If dA and dV are densities of material of body and the liquid respectively, the body can float only when dA is less than dV. Mass of an object in air is 40 kg. Mass of his object in water will be 40 kg. मास चेंज नहीं होता, वेट चेंज होता है. A jet plane flies in the air because streamlined flow of air causing lift. A glass in the cuboidal shape has dimensions 10, 10, 4. It is kept with its perfect face 10 into 10 in contact with the table. If it is lifted and allowed to rest on the table with its smaller surface 10 centimeter into 4 centimeter in contact with the table, the pressure exerted will be increased. कॉन्टैक्ट एरिया कम हो जाएगा तो प्रेशर बढ़ जाएगा. The weight of the body felt in top water and salted water, tap water and salted water are W and WB respectively, then W is greater than WB. When all ice floating in water melts, the level of water in container falls. Upthrust depends upon ये वॉल्यूम, ग्रेविटेशनल एक्सलरेशन, डेंसिटी तीनों पर डिपेंड है. तो डी इज करेक्ट ऑल ऑफ दीज. द डेंसिटी ऑफ टैप वाटर इज लेस देन दैट ऑफ सी वाटर. इफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट is immersed completely in the both one by one, its loss in weight will be more in sea water. क्योंकि पानी की डेंसिटी ज्यादा है तो वहां पर भी वेट लॉस ज्यादा होगा. Which of the following has the highest density? इन तीनों में ग्लिसरीन की डेंसिटी सबसे ज्यादा है. When a body is fully or partially immersed in a liquid, it undergoes an apparent loss in its weight due to upward thrust. C is correct. The pressure exerted by a solid decreases with the increase of area. If the density of object placed in a liquid is equal to the density of the liquid, the object will float wholly immersed. The loss in weight of solid more in salt solution than water because density of water is less than salt solution. While performing the experiment to determine the density of a solid for measuring cylinder with least count 2.5 ml, 1 ml, 0.2 ml are available. Which one will you prefer for finding the density of the solid accurately? तो A है 0.2 ml. 4 students have taken reading to verify Archimedes principle. The correct reading is taken by, अब इसमें से C व्यक्ति करेक्ट रीडिंग ले रहा है. For a body floating on water, apparent weight is equal to weight of the body minus the weight of the liquid. Madhu notes following observation in her notebook. ये ऑब्जर्वेशन ले रही हैं तो इसमें इसका ये डी आंसर सही रहेगा. 59. The piece of ice is floating on water surface in a beaker. When the ice melt, the level of water in beaker will remain same. A student lowers the body in the liquid filled in a container. He finds that there is a maximum apparent loss in weight of the body when it completely immersed in liquid. If a body is compressed to half its previous volume, its density become double. While comparing the pressure exerted by the three different faces of the metal cuboid of dimension 10 into 20 into 30 centimeter, which observation is correct? तो बी इज करेक्ट. प्रेशर एक्सर्टेड बाय द फेस 10 into 20 is maximum. To compare the pressure exerted by the cuboid, Neetu was given 4 solid cuboids made of plastic, wood, aluminium and brass. The dimension of each cuboid is 15 into 10 into 5. Perform the experiment effectively. She should choose brass cuboid. 4 students ABCD observed and compared the pressure exerted by 3 different faces of metal cuboid of the dimension 28 and 4. They recorded their observation about the depression observed by them in a sand by different faces of the cuboid. इसमें से A सही होगा. A record that the depression is maximum when the face of dimension 28 centimeter. A student placed an iron cuboid of dimension 1 centimeter into 4 centimeter into 10 centimeter on the loose sand with its side of dimension 1, 4, 4, 10. If the pressure exerted by the cuboid in two cases are P1 and P2 respectively, तो इसका आंसर डी सही होगा. 10/1. A buoyant force of 200 gram weight act on the body dipped completely in water. If the apparent weight of body is 100 gram weight, then its actual weight will be 300 gram weight. To observe and complete the pressure exerted by 3 different faces of the cuboid on sand, the following material is available on the school laboratory. A tray filled with fine sand. B, a tray filled with the coarse sand. C, a wooden cuboid of dimension 10, 15, 20. D, an iron cuboid of dimension 2, 4, 10. The best choice of the apparatus for conducting the experiment is iron cuboid with coarse sand. While determining the density of material of body, a student recorded the following observation. Mass of the body equal to 62.4 gram. Second, reading of water level in the measuring cylinder without body equal to 16.4 ml. Third, reading of water level in the measuring cylinder with body equal to 24.4 ml. Based on these observations, the density of material of the body in kg per meter cube is 7800. The correct way of reading is the liquid level is shown in. तो करेक्ट वे है आपका ये ए फिगर वाला. आंखें पैरेलल रखिए उसके. नेक्स्ट है फ्रॉम मेजरिंग सिलेंडर विद डिफरेंट लीस्ट काउंट आर शोन फिगर ABCD. The most suitable cylinder for the determining the volume of the cube's side nearly 1 centimeter is. अब इसमें से डी सही है क्योंकि इसमें सही तरह से डेंसिटी पता की जा सकती है क्योंकि इसका लीस्ट काउंट भी कम है. While determining the density of copper piece using spring balance and measuring cylinder, नितिन कैरिड आउट द फॉलोइंग प्रोसीजर. अब ये प्रोसीजर वो अप्लाई करता है तो इसका आंसर स्टेप 4 सही होगा. removed the copper piece from the water and immediately weighted it using a spring balance. The wrong step in the procedure is, इसका ये फोर्थ वाला प्रोसीजर गलत है, तो डी आंसर इज करेक्ट. To observe the compare the pressure exerted by solid cuboid in the upright position, student A placed his cuboid gently on the loose sand while B placed on the surface of tabletop. Who will observe the exerted pressure by cuboid easily? So student A only. When a body sinks in a liquid, the weight of the body is more than the buoyant force. When a body is immersed in a liquid, the buoyant force acts on the body vertically upward. The same body is immersed in two liquids, A and B, in succession. The extent to which the body sink in liquid B is less than liquid A. What are the conclusions that could be derived from such an observation? So A is correct. The density of liquid B is more than A. अब assertion region ए उसका आंसर है जिसमें ये दोनों सही हों, असर्शन और रीजन, और जिसमें दोनों सही हों लेकिन रीजन करेक्ट ना हो, वो उसका बी आंसर है. ए ट्रू हो, असर्शन सही हो और रीजन गलत हो तो सी आंसर, और जिसमें एक असर्शन गलत हो रीजन सही हो उसका डी आंसर. तो if radius earth is decreased keeping its mass constant, the value of acceleration due to gravity g is increased. ये सही है और रीजन भी इसका करेक्ट है, g इक्वल टू gm/r², तो ए आंसर इज करेक्ट. Assertion: a particle can immediately momentarily be at rest even when it has acceleration. Reason: this happens when a body in motion reverses its direction, like a body thrown vertically upward, and is at its topmost point at an instant. तो इसका ये सही है, ये असर्शन और रीजन दोनों ही करेक्ट है, तो ए करेक्ट है. Two bodies of mass m1 m2 m2 is greater than m1 are dropped from the same time and from same height in vacuum. Both the bodies will reach the earth simultaneously. Reason: this is because in a absence of air both bodies will have the same acceleration. दोनों करेक्ट है, ए आंसर करेक्ट है. Assertion: as we move to higher altitude from the surface of earth, acceleration due to gravity g is decreased. करेक्ट है. Reason: as we move from equator to pole on surface of the earth, acceleration due to gravity increase. ये गलत है, तो बी आंसर इज करेक्ट. Assertion: the force of attraction between two particles due to their mass is directly proportional to their product. ये करेक्ट है. रीजन दे रखा है, द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द स्क्वायर ऑफ द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द पार्टिकल. तो इसका ये रीजन है वो गलत दे रखा है, रीजन ऐसे नहीं है असर्शन का, हालांकि ये सही है, दोनों सही है लेकिन एक्सप्रेशन रीजन सही नहीं है. Assertion: the value of acceleration due to gravity does not depend on the mass of the body on which it acts. तो इसमें जो रीजन है ये सही है और रीजन दे रखा है, ये असर्शन सही है। रीजन एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी इज कांस्टेंट क्वांटिटी, ये गलत है। तो सी इज सही आंसर होगा इसका। असर्शन रेलवे ट्रैक आर लेट ऑन वुडन स्लीपर्स, दिस इज डन टू इंक्रीज द प्रेशर ऑन द बीनथ। तो इसका ये रीजन गलत है, असर्शन सही है। Assertion: upthrust on a solid block of iron when immersed in the lake will be less on the surface than on the bed of the lake. ये सही है। On the surface of the lake, density of water will be less than that of the bed. तो इसका रीजन भी सही है। Assertion: an ice cube is floating in water in a vessel at 0 degree Celsius. Reason: density of ice is less than density of the water. ये भी सही है, तो A आंसर is correct. Relative density of water body. Relative density of body is the unitless quantity. Reason: it is the ratio of the density of liquid to the density of the water. 4 degree Celsius is called relative density. ये भी सही है, तो A is correct. और assertion दे रखा है, a solid and hollow sphere of the same material and radius float on water. The volume of water displaced is same by both. तो इसके ये गलत हैं दोनों ही, तो ये आंसर डी इसका सही होगा। स्विमिंग इज इजियर इन सी वाटर देन फ्रेश वाटर, करेक्ट। रीजन: डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर सी वाटर इज लेस देन द डेंसिटी ऑफ फ्रेश वाटर, ये गलत है, तो सी इज करेक्ट। Fill in the blanks. The volume of universal gravitational constant is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square upon kg square. The value of acceleration due to gravity depend on the mass of the radius. The SI unit of weight is Newton. Mass is measured by Wien balance, तराजू. The weight of body is different at different places due to different value of G, small g. A body float in a liquid when weight is equal. A body of 80 Newton is floating in water. The buoyant force acting on it is 80 Newton. SI unit of thrust is Newton. Lactometer is based on Archimedes. A body of density P and volume V is floating in a liquid. The density phi, then its true weight is BPG. Liquid have definite volume and no definite shape. Gas have no definite volume and no definite shape. Boiling point of substance is below the room temperature. At the room temperature, it is gas. Inner molecular space is minimum in solid, which is not matter, cold. The boiling point of water is 373 Kelvin. Changing of liquid to gaseous state is called vaporization. Changing of solid into gaseous state and vice versa is called sublimation. Evaporation is the process of the liquid changing in vapor below the boiling point. For liquefaction of air or gas, temperature should be low and high pressure. Room temperature is 25 degrees Celsius will be equal to 298 Kelvin. Rate of vaporization will be decreased if humidity is increased. The boiling point of three liquids ABC are 47 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Celsius and 127 degrees Celsius respectively. In Kelvin scale, the correct sequence of temperature will be 320, 343, 400 Kelvin. C is correct. 4 student ABCD visited in a natural gas compressing unit and observed the specific conditions of temperature, then pressure for the liquefaction of natural gas. They told the following statement about the condition required for the liquefaction of gas. Which statement is correct? So D is correct. Temperature should be low and pressure should be high. The villagers people used to keep water in earthen pot during the summer and water becomes cool due to evaporation. Which of the following said phenomena will be increased on the increasing temperature? Expansion of gases, diffusion, evaporation. Rasmi heats some cubes of ice in a beaker. She recorded the temperature with time. Which of the following represent her observation in the form of graph? तो इसका ये ग्राफ बी वाला सही होगा. A student takes some water in a beaker and heats it over flame for determining its boiling point. He keeps the taking its temperature reading. He observes that the temperature of the water first increases gradually, then becomes constant. For determining the melting point of ice, the thermometer should be kept with its bulb in the ice cube. According to early Indian philosopher, matter is the made up of air, earth, ये fire, sky, water, ये all of है. Solid have definite volume and definite shape. Gas are highly compressible. Inner molecular species is maximum in gases. Fluids are liquid and gases. Particle of matter, ये इसमें ये सारी क्वालिटी होती है. Changing of solid into liquid is called diffusion. Changing of liquid to solid state is called condensation. The example of the sublime substance is ये एसीटोन, अमोनियम क्लोराइड, नेफ्थलीन सब है. डी आंसर इज करेक्ट. ड्राई आइस इज सॉलिड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. Ice of 0 degrees Celsius causes more cooling effect than water of same temperature. Ice take latent heat of fusion. In melting process of solid, temperature remains constant. Intermolecular force is minimum in gases. The condensation that will increase the rate of increasing the temperature of water. A few substances are arranged in the increasing order of the forces of attraction between their particle. Which of the following represents the correct sequence of arrangement? So air, water, common salt. Fluid have the unique property of to flow. The correct statement is gas and liquids behave like a fluids. In which the following the statement following the distance between gas molecules will increase. तो इसमें सी आंसर सही है, फर्स्ट एंड फोर्थ. ये इसका फर्स्ट और फोर्थ करेक्ट है. A beaker containing hot water is placed in freezer. having temperature lesser than 0 degree Celsius. Which of the following graphs represent correctly the change in temperature with time?